Hi everyone, how are you doing? These are my nails. $1,000,000 nails. Million years of nails if you want. How do you like them? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Angel and today we are going to be doing nature nails. So, every so often I try to go on a walk because I'm a sick woman, and so I always get ideas on those walks. This is the bag that I was wearing. It's not that interesting, but what is interesting is what is inside. What's this? Shells. And I have some lash glue here. So I don't know if you're like following my idea, but my idea is to make nature nails. And so like my idea again behind this is to put this on, and then later on when I no longer need these nature nails, I can just remove the lash glue and put the shells where I first found them. Because nature. Anyways, I have a beautiful, horrible setup for you today. So you can watch my nails as well. I also have my little cat here. Hi. Yeah, okay. Let's get to this project. I don't know how good this is going to be, but this is literally applesauce. This is a box. So yeah, whatever. So let's see what we have as of nails. I don't know if I have enough for all the nails. Actually, I might only have enough for one hand maybe, but we'll find out. So this could be here. This one, yeah, let's have this one, this one, this one. Okay, we have 4 nails. And for the small one, I was thinking just like maybe one of those. Also, if you're ever like going out to find shells that are like this, make sure that no one is living inside of it, because one time I went to, I think it was Mallorca or something, and I took one of those and I was obviously a child and there was a little habitant still inside and I got very scared. This one, for this one, then the middle finger can maybe have this, I think. This one can have maybe a C-class. That's, no, it's too heavy, I think. And so my idea further here was actually to put like other, you see we have all of this left, right? Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, is to put the rest of these shells on top of this, so to make it like a little even more nature. So I have this lash glue from W7, not that it really matters, but it's the lash glue that I have at home. And so I'm just going to like, I want it to look as natural as possible, obvi. Hello. That's why it's called nature nails. But I'm just going to like put some glue here. I don't know if it's a good thing for me to put directly here. But yeah, I really hope it goes off when I want to remove it so that I can put it back into the nature. Okay, and here, let's put on like, oh, this one, like a small shell house or whatever it's called. Isn't that cute? Isn't that adorable? Okay, I think that would be enough for this nail. Yes, okay, sick. Now that we have all of that done, oops, this one, I get hello, my vision is coming to life. And we have the last one, but I can't. I should have made this before I put it on. I feel so stupid right now. But maybe it's okay if I only have 9 nails, because that's like nature. It's not always perfect. So I think this is what it looks like right now. I think this hand is the best one. Is this cute? I love it. The only... Is this a nail from somewhere else? I don't know. It's this nail. Wait. No. Don't leave me. Maybe I can just pick it up. I picked up another nail. Can I just... No. Cat hair or something. Hi. Sorry, I can't talk right now. I have to go swim. Do you like my nails? They're like supernatural. This, okay, so a little backstory or something. Bella Hadid has this fragrance line now, and one of the fragrances, I don't remember what it's called, but it's like sea based, like it's all about like, ooh, it's supposed to smell like sea salt. I don't know, because they don't ship to Europe yet, but this I think would make like, they would love this. Hi, Bella Hadid nails or Bella nails. That blue fragrance, I don't remember the name. Love it, love it. This one less cute, but you know, it's always one hand good, one hand one hand good, one hand anyways. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I love you all so much. If you decide to recreate or like do your own version of this, please feel free to tag me on YouTube or my Instagram page or whatever, wherever you might find me. Just don't find me at my home, no. But please feel free to find me at the beach and share with me your creations. I love this. Okay. Goodbye. Mwah. I love you so much. Take care of yourself. Little wordplay. Okay. Bye. I love you all so much. And I hope you enjoy my nails. Bye.